Most people use artificial intelligence like a slightly smarter Google. They ask one question, receive a generic answer, and wonder why everyone says AI is revolutionary. But with the right instructions, AI can organize your day, research customers, write follow-ups, review your work, and turn one idea into a practical business test. In this video, I will give you 5 prompts that make AI feel less like a chatbot and more like an assistant. Stay for prompt number 5, because it is the one I would use if I were starting a one-person business today. You can adapt these prompts for ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, or another capable assistant. The tool matters less than the quality of your instructions. For every prompt, I will show you the role, the result, and the mistake that can ruin the workflow. Keep this video open as you work, and pause whenever you want to copy or adapt an instruction. The first prompt solves a deceptively expensive problem, deciding what to do first. Tell the AI to act as your daily operations assistant. Give it your tasks, deadlines, available hours, and constraints. Ask it to divide everything into must complete today, should complete today, and can wait. Then request a realistic time-blocked schedule and ask what should be deleted, delegated, automated, or clarified. Most importantly, tell it to ask up to 5 questions before creating the schedule. Without that instruction, the AI may confidently prioritize the wrong work. Now paste a deliberately messy task list. Include client work, emails, errands, research, content creation, and administration. The useful result is not just a prettier list. It is a decision about what deserves your attention. Look for tasks the AI places in the can wait category, and challenge anything that does not match your real priorities. Use the schedule as a proposal, not an order. You remain the decision maker. Prompt number 2 helps you investigate a market without getting lost in 50 browser tabs. Tell the AI to act as a customer research analyst. Describe your offer and audience. Ask for their urgent problems, what they have probably tried, why those solutions may have failed, the language they use, and the outcome they might pay to achieve. Then add one essential instruction: separate verified information from assumptions, and identify what evidence should be collected before making a business decision. Imagine you offer video editing to real estate agents. The AI may suggest that agents struggle with slow turnaround, inconsistent branding, or videos that fail to create inquiries. Those are useful hypotheses. They are not proven facts. Validate them using customer interviews, reviews, forums, and search data. Artificial intelligence should accelerate your investigation, not replace it. That distinction can prevent you from building an offer nobody wants. Prompt number 3 turns disorganized meeting notes into a professional follow-up. Ask for a concise email containing a natural opening, the recipient's main problem, what was agreed, the next action with an owner and deadline, and a friendly closing. Set a word limit and forbid exaggerated sales language. Then include the most important line: do not invent commitments, dates, prices, or facts. Flag missing information before drafting. Artificial intelligence often fills gaps because it is trying to be helpful. That becomes dangerous when money, deadlines, or client expectations are involved. Treat the output as a first draft. Confirm every commitment, rewrite anything that does not sound like you, and review the recipient's name before sending. The assistant saves time. You keep responsibility. Prompt 4 may be the most valuable because it tells the AI to stop agreeing with you. Ask it to act as a critical reviewer, not a supportive assistant. Evaluate your work using clarity, accuracy, persuasiveness, usefulness, and likely objections. Request the 3 biggest weaknesses, why each weakness matters, and one specific revision for each. Tell it not to rewrite everything unless asked, and not to praise your work merely to be polite. A weak question such as, "Is this good?" practically invites agreement. A defined review standard produces a better answer. You can use this workflow on a proposal, product description, presentation, article, script, or important email. If the offer is vague, the evidence is missing, or the next step demands too much commitment, you want to discover that before your customer does. The final prompt combines everything into a small business operating system. Give the AI your skills, target customer, the problem you want to solve, your budget, and your available hours. Ask it to design the smallest realistic offer you can test within 7 days. Request a defined customer, a specific deliverable, a 7-day validation plan, the assumptions that could make the idea fail, 5 customer interview questions, a simple outreach message, and a measurable success threshold. Suppose you know Canva and social media, and you want to help local restaurants. The smallest offer might be a visual refresh containing an updated menu and 5 branded social posts, delivered within 72 hours for one fixed price. The goal is not to ask AI for $1 million idea. The goal is to test whether a real customer has a real problem and will pay for a clearly defined result. A sensible 7-day plan begins with conversations, not software subscriptions. Interview potential customers, review their language, build one sample, contact a small number of qualified prospects, follow up, and evaluate the response. Watch the dangerous assumptions. Do they need this? Will they pay? Can you reach them? Can you deliver profitably? A business idea can look impressive on a screen and still fail all 4 tests. We have turned one chatbot into 5 focused roles: a priority manager, customer researcher, follow-up writer, critical reviewer, and business planning partner. None of them replaces judgment. They replace the blank page, the moment when you know something needs to happen but do not know where to begin. The advantage is not a collection of magic words. It is giving AI a role, relevant context, clear constraints, and a definition of success. Choose one of the 5 prompts and use it on a real task today. Then return and comment with the number you tried and the result it produced. I will use the most common answer to choose a complete workflow for a future video. Subscribe to No Tech AI Lab for practical artificial intelligence workflows without coding, hype, or technical jargon. Next, we will test ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude on the same 5 business tasks to see which one deserves your money.